our MS Word document. Now here we want to add Excel spreadsheet. Let's do it. Go to Insert, click on the table, and table here select Excel spreadsheet. And Excel spreadsheet will be open here. Now let's suppose write something like serial number, name, and let's suppose write English, marks, adjust here, and general science, here maths, and here total. Let's write here serial number 1, number 2, number 3. Put the name, let's suppose John. English 78, 90 and 67. General science marks 67, 85 and 89. Maths marks are 80, 76 plus 56. Now total. Apply the sum formula. Bracket open. Select plus general science marks plus maths marks. Bracket close, enter. Now drag. There sums are, we got the results. Now we want to design this, or we want to show only this section and remove the extra spreadsheet section. From here now click everywhere to apply the spreadsheet in the MS Word. Let's suppose click here. Now the spreadsheet is present here. You can enlarge it according to your need, or minimize it if you want. There how we insert Excel sheet in MS Word documents. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.